Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is another edition on print merge. I sent my video to Roy Brewer, my mentor, and he pointed out a couple of things. One, I'm making my file with 123, and he said that might be the problem. So I had somebody that has Excel create one. I have not seen it yet, so you're seeing it for the first time. And I put it on my thumb drive, and it's called Test CSV, and we're going to open it. Go to Next. Click on it and go to Next. I don't know if you have to click on it. And there we go. It's working. So I'm going to hit Next, Finish, and then I'm going to go to Insert Print Merge Field. And this is what Mr. Brewer was telling me. When I was using an envelope tool, I was doing it wrong. I was stretching out the envelope, so it was going to squish some of the other names. So if you want this name that big or bigger, if you want a little bit bigger, let's just make it bigger. I'm going to hit P, put it in the keyboard. Now this is about equal. We're going to go and make sure it's center justified, but then we are going to go to the envelope tool and create an envelope. And you can see the envelope. I was stretching the envelope, and evidently that's a no-no. And then we're going to perform print merge. And I can change my preferences so you can see it. 3x2. And it worked. There's page 1. We'll look at all documents. And it does not have the quotation marks. Now it doesn't have any long names, but I'm sure it's going to work. Anyway, so I thank Mr. Brewer from Engraving Concepts with that little factual. And evidently, if you create it in an Excel file, you will not have those quotation marks like I was having last night. So watch my videos from number 1 to learn how to do, and also watch Mr. Brewer's print merge videos in Engraving Concept. Just type that in and they'll come up. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.